this is just a quick intro letting you know what I was trying to do. Basically, the idea is to take a water pump, utilize water that I collect, rainwater, such stuff, run it through a little pump, turn a Turgo prop, and or Turgo impeller, sorry, and then using a solar panel to run the pump, see if I can turn it fast enough to light an LED. Wasn't as successful as I was hoping it would be, simply because the pump wasn't strong enough, or the solar panel wasn't strong enough, whatever that looked like. But the idea was just recycle water from the sky, rainwater, and then run it inside a bucket or a couple of buckets, and then recoup any water that I use through the pump and recirculate it back into the main bucket. And so you're never using any kind of water that wasn't recyclable. Parts and pieces that are used, everything, I'm an upcycler, recycler, so I'm using stuff out of old printers, 3D printing stuff, pretty much stuff that we as makers and tinkerers would normally find, and just went to town on it. So basically, it didn't work, so this is about a fail, but the concept didn't fail. So I thought I'd enter it anyway, just to show you what's possible and what you can do with just stuff. So enjoy the next couple of parts, and we'll give you a little bit more talking at the end. Alright, so here's a quick layout of what I'm trying to do today. I have a 40-watt solar panel. I have it rigged up to a small water pump and a 3D printed nozzle. I have a system by which I'm going to run some water over it and see if I can get any power. And of course, this is a shot of the motor that I'll be using. So here we have the pump, pumping water out of a bucket, and then getting our Turgo to turn. You'll also notice that there is the LED at the top, and a little bridge rectifier. But for some strange reason, it's not lighting up. So we'll look at that a little bit further. There's our solar panel in the sun. And again, just our water pump. And the sun's decided to oh no, here it comes again. No, for some strange reason the sun's decided to leave us again. Anyway, that's the basic principle. Oh, are we going to do anything? Maybe. Come on. We haven't had really good weather here out on the west coast of Canada. Looks like it just wants to wet on my shoes. Anyway, that's the setup. Just to show you that electrically the system would function if the Turgo would turn fast enough. I've just hooked it up real quick here to a drill. I'm just going to turn the drill a little bit, and you'll see that we actually do get light. But notice how fast the Turgo has to turn in order to do that. Oh, and by the way, we can go much brighter if we wanted to. So at the end of it all, what I discovered was you need a very strong water pump. Using rainwater is a great idea. I still believe that to be true. It's not as much as mains water would be. Yeah, coming out of the tap can go pretty fast. I did experiment with it to make sure that the electronics were fine, that the motor that I chose, or the one that I recycled, actually could work. So by hooking it up to a drill, turning it faster at a higher speed, yes, it did light the LED. So the concept of the Turgo, the motor, the bridge rectifier, and a more powerful source to turn the whole thing, i.e. the drill, kind of defeated the whole purpose. But on the other hand, I think if we use a combination of solar and a pump, 12-volt pump, and just reusing the same water over and over and over again, I think could be a viable concept. In my particular case, didn't work. But hey, thought I'd put it out there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks again for having the contest and letting us figure stuff out for ourselves. Talk to you later. Bye.